Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use AutoDS for Shopify Dropshipping. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now for you to start using AutoDS for your Shopify Dropshipping, what you need to do is you first need to install the app itself. So go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and from here, what we need to do is we now need to install it. So at the bottom left, go and click on settings. And under settings, you need to go to the options that says apps and sales channels. Now from here to top right, go and click on Shopify App Store. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for AutoDS. Now at the top right here, go ahead and just type in AutoDS, press and enter. And from here, you should be able to see AutoDS, AI Dropshipping, and POD. Let's go and choose this one. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to click on install. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to confirm the installation. Now, typically, you just need to click on the install button that you see on your screen here. So if you see it, just go ahead and click on it. But if it requests you to log in, go ahead and log in into your account. So in this case, just enter your email address, your password, and once you've done that, just click on log in. But if you already have a Google account, you go ahead and click on log in with Google. From here, choose your account. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to wait for it to load up. So you should be able to see your current account here. So in this case, you should be able to see the main UI here for AutoDS. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to actually link our Shopify account or our Shopify store here. So at the top left, go and click on the edit for stores here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to actually add our store. Go ahead and click on add store at the bottom left. And from here, you could go ahead and choose the options here. So I have a Shopify store and want to connect it to AutoDS. Let's go ahead and click on continue. And from here, let's go ahead and click on install to proceed with the installation. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to wait for Shopify to appear. Again, click on install. And from here, let's go and wait for AutoDS to load up. And once it's actually installed, your Shopify store should now be connected to AutoDS. Now, as you can see, it is now in here. Now, from here, you could go ahead and approve the billing here. So in this case, the app for itself is not free, so you need to pay for this subscription. So in this case, you will be billed for this app when you begin to use it. So this charge will appear on your monthly invoice and your threshold bill. So let's go ahead and click on approve. And from here, what we need to do next is we should be able to see AutoDS now. So we'll go ahead and wait for it. In this case, go ahead and say thank you for registering. And from here, for you to start adding products, you could go ahead and click on the marketplace here. So for example, we want to have this product here. Let's go ahead and click on the product itself. Should open it up. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on import draft. And from here, it's going to be added into our draft series. To upload if process has finished. In this case, what we need to do next is we need to go to add products here. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on single product. And from here, you can enter the URL or product ID itself. And from here, you could go and click on publish to store. Now, going back, this product should now be added into your draft. So you could go ahead and click on the view in drafts or click on drafts at the left panel here. Now from here, you could go ahead and click on the product itself, change a few things like the collections that you want to add this to, shipping methods here, the tags, the country location as well, and the default city. Now we also have the option monitoring options here. So in this case, if you want to import this one, you could go ahead and edit whatever you want here. But once you've done your edit, you could go ahead and click on any specifications here. So for example, we want to select the variants here. So this is the only one that we have right now. Images, let's go and select all the images here. Item specifications, you could go and delete whatever here, but once you're done, just click on save and import. And from here, that's going to start importing the product itself. And from here, let's just wait for it to load up. As you can see, it's now empty. So let's go ahead and go back to Shopify here. So whenever you go to the product section, you should now be able to see the product itself. But then again, make sure to edit your products here and make sure that you have an inventory here. But yeah, so that's how you start using AutoDS for Shopify for dropshipping. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.